It's a nice fall day, like really nice. So we're gonna go on a poker run.
I'm excited.
Rocco's gonna play a hand. I'm gonna play a hand.
Actually pretty good.
And we'll see what we get. We changed our mind. We're gonna take this one today. We'll take the global.
If only.
We'll finish this whole poker run in like 20 minutes. It'd take us longer to get this thing like turned around to get from Lebanon to Gallatin and landed than it would to fly our plane.
We're 904, caution blank turns for the 73, fly runway heading, runway 2 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 2 left, runway heading, 12994.
Let's go!
Alright, airspeed's live, we want to turn into the wind.
Plus 46, connect.
V1, rotate.
Great day, south 46. South 2107, left there, ground point 9.
Right.
That's 0.9, south 120.
Wheels up. Ah, I said it, Bo, I said it.
Oh my god.
I'm going with the top one, huh? Going with the top card?
Yes.
All right, let's see. All right, first card. Let's see what I got. All right.
Can I look?
Yeah.
Oh.
9 of spades. All right, that's already not a good start. So now I'm looking for a flush. What do you got, Rocco?
This stuff is so sticky.
Oh. Ooh, jack of clubs. All right. And Lebanon traffic, Cessna 12994, departing runway 1, straight out to the north, Lebanon.
Hey!
Can you tell me if there's any other airplanes around us?
I see Rocco.
No airplanes around us.
I just asked him to check and see if he sees any traffic around us. Calm down, airplane nerds. Everything about this formation sequence was pre-planned on the ground before we took off. Don't start quoting federal regulations to me in the comment section.
All right, you fly me to the field. I'm just watching you.
All right. I'm gonna swap over and get on Unicom.
All right, same.
And Music City traffic, Cessna 12994, flight of 2, gonna be overflying midfield for 45-degree entry to the downwind. And 904, final 35, Music City.
Traffic on 24, so Sierra, final runway 35, just pull back.
Stop number 2. Took my hoodie off. Got hot in here. And
I'm already winning.
so far. Hold your horses, they're champ. See, I already grabbed mine. 7 of hearts. That is not helping me. I mean, I'm kind of on a straight draw at this point. If this were my hand, just start with I would fold. Let's see what you got.
I have an 8 of diamonds.
Ooh. And Music City traffic 12994, departing runway 35, north departure.
Music City traffic on 24, so Sierra, departing off the downwind to the south of Music City.
Have a good flight home, Gabby.
See you, Mike.
Number 3, here we go. Rocco's going right to the top. I'm gonna dig in and try to find me a winner. 4 spades, all right. 2 spades, that's nothing right now. But I'll take it. Rocco, what'd you get?
What? I got an
Oh,
8
of diamonds. That's 2 8s, huh?
Yeah, I also
You're
have
on your way to 4 of a kind.
I have an 8 of clubs.
Nice. And off to the next one. And Portland traffic, 12994, departing runway 1, Portland. Nobody else out here. We're good. All right, so my hand's pretty much shot. I got a 6 of hearts here, which means my flush draw was already dead. I'm still kind of on a straight draw, like a short straight with this or Yahtzee or something. Maybe I could make something happen. But this is our 4th stop, our 4th card. And we just found out that it's not really making a poker hand. You're just collecting cards, and then whatever you get, they're going to assign value to the cards later to determine who has the most points to win. So it doesn't really matter what I get. It's just a matter of collecting a card. That's what wins. But
Straight kings winner.
But it wouldn't matter, apparently, because kings doesn't necessarily mean it's the highest value card. So
No.
I don't know what we're doing. I just know now I feel like I'm winning. And 904 departing runway 22, Springfield.
Real.
Last stop. And that was work, man. It got windy. Like, it doesn't feel like it here on the ground. It looks all calm, but it's just gusty and choppy out there. So, see what you got. Going for the... No. I'll pick mine. I'm going to dig in a little more. See what I can find here. See if I can't catch a winner. Last card. 4 diamonds. What do you got?
3 spades.
You got 3 of spades. All right, so I'm sitting on a pair of 4s, which is nothing.
And
like, I would have folded a long time ago in a real hand.
This is mine.
Well, you got a pair of 8s that beats my pair of 4s. But, again, apparently the numbers and everything on the card doesn't mean anything. They assign a value later, so. It was a good excuse to go flying, though. So, all right, let's get back to the beginning.
994, enter right base, 20 right.
Right base 20 right, 994. Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
I had a good time. I'm curious to see, now we wait. We gotta wait till the end of the month to find out what our hands are, so. We'll have to put like an update to how we actually did and see if we win anything. But yeah, poker run. Good excuse to go flying on a nice Sunday. A little bumpy up there. Turned out to not be as great as it originally looked, but still a fun time. All right, we're out of here. On to the next one. I said that like 50 times today. On to the next video. When this is done, go watch the next one that comes up in the suggested thing, like in the corner there. All right, I'm done. I'm done talking to cameras. Peace.